Today is 2nd July. This is your dose of AI stories. Let's find out what's going in the tech world. Let's dive in. Quora is introducing a chatbot named Poe that helps users access paid articles for free. Poe uses machine learning to sum up and provide the main points of these articles. The company claims to give users a glimpse of the content without needing a subscription. However, Poe doesn't offer the entire article. Instead, it offers a condensed version. But the chatbot is getting a bash around the internet as it is raising concerns about the credibility of a news organization. This is a significant copyright issue. James Grimmelman, professor of digital and information law at Cornell University, wrote in an email. OpenAI has decided to stop its activities in China after increasing tensions in the tech world. This decision comes as part of a broader conflict where countries are becoming more cautious about technology partnerships. OpenAI, known for its advanced AI research, has chosen to distance itself from China due to problems over intellectual property and security. This move reflects a trend where tech companies are reevaluating their global strategies amidst geopolitical tensions, aiming to protect their innovations and ensure compliance with international regulations. Microsoft has revealed details about a new AI called Skeleton Key that can bypass security measures, like a jailbreak for devices. This AI is designed to find exposure in computer systems and unlock them, potentially for good or bad purposes. It's a powerful tool that highlights the ongoing challenge of balancing security and accessibility in technology. Microsoft's development of Skeleton Key ensures staying alert and updating cybersecurity regularly. The European Union is investigating deals involving Microsoft, OpenAI, Google, and Samsung related to artificial intelligence. They are looking into whether these agreements might create unfair competition or restrict innovation in the AI industry. The EU's concern is that these partnerships could potentially limit choices for consumers or businesses using AI technologies. This probe reflects efforts to ensure that AI development remains competitive and open to new ideas and companies. The European Union's Digital Markets Act, DMA, is set to influence Apple and its approach to artificial intelligence. This legislation aims to regulate big tech companies like Apple to ensure fair competition and protect consumers' interests. This might impact Apple's strategy regarding AI by influencing how it integrates AI features and develops its products in Europe. AI technology is being used to analyze news coverage in Durham. This innovation involves using AI summarizing local news stories automatically. It aims to help residents stay informed about community issues more easily. The AI system can quickly process large amounts of information from various sources, providing updates on important topics.